All right, Mr. Eugene, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Honestly, Your Honor, I don't even know why I'm here. She wants an increase in child support, and I've been keeping our son for the past 3 years.
All right, so that's why you're here.
I guess.
Yeah.
I guess, Your Honor.
You've been keeping your son for the past 3 years. Are you paying child support or are you paying child support?
I'm paying child support.
Okay, so that's why you're here. You're trying to get off child support.
Yeah, she wants an increase.
He lived with you.
The judge listens closely. The father covers every expense for his son, yet the mother demands even more. But as questions grow sharper, her story begins to unravel. Tension in the courtroom hits a boiling point.
Okay, I'll ask her to make sense of that for me. But for now, how old is your son?
10?
10 years old, lives with you. You take care of his expenses and everything like that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Health insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
You mind if I move over to her really
please.
quick? Because I need to make sense of why she filed this in court asking for an increase.
Well, I mean, I do buy things for my son, and it's expensive, and...
All right, so does other parents. They buy things for their children,
Yes.
and it is expensive.
Yes.
The mother insists she needs more money, even though the child lives full-time with his father. She runs a business, but her story doesn't quite add up. The judge leans in, pressing harder for the truth.
So why are you here?
Well, I have a business to run, and I need his help in order to buy these things for our son.
Wait a minute. Your son lives with him.
Yes, now he does, yes.
Now, as in 3 years ago?
3 years.
That's not now. No, it's not. 3 years he's been living with him.
Yes.
So you want an increase in child support
Yes.
to do what exactly?
To help my son, to buy things for my son.
Right. You work, right?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I have my own business. I'm a caterer.
The judge is taken aback. The mother admits she earns $40,000 a year, yet still demands more from the father. Suddenly, her motives are under fire, and the silence in the courtroom roars louder than words. But this isn't over yet.
Caterer. How much are you making in your catering business?
About 400,000.
400 what? You came here to waste my time.
I make $40,000 a year, Your Honor.
You came here to get an increase in child support so that you can pay for your catering business.
No.
So why are you here?
Just for my son, of course.
Right, but maybe you're missing it. It's going like this,
Well, he
going
wants
over
to
your
stop
head.
paying the child support, and I don't think that he should stop paying. I think he
He
should pay more.
should stop paying if the child has been living with him for the past 3 years under your original.
Then the judge drops a bombshell. The mother gave up custody years ago. By law, she should be paying him. But she refuses to accept it. What she says next leaves the entire courtroom in shock.
Under your original court order, Mr. Eugene, give me a second. Under your original court order, you were the person that the child was living with.
Yes.
Not him.
Yes.
So that means you voluntarily relinquished conservatorship over to dad.
Yes.
Right. So dad should be the person receiving child support from you.
From me.
That's what I said. That doesn't sound right to you?
No, ma'am.
Why doesn't that sound right? Because you're the mom.
Yes. And I have to buy things for my son, and I can't do it alone.
The mother insists the father should still pay, despite their son living with him full-time and her rarely visiting. As she presses on, the courtroom grows tense, her argument unraveling with every word.
He buys things for your son.
Well, I need to do that too.
You make $400,000 a year, ma'am.
Well, I have employees and things to pay. I mean, you know.
Okay.
I don't think that he should stop paying the child support.
What do you think he should do?
Pay me more.
Pay you more?
Yes.
While your son lives with him?
Well, I still see my son.
Okay, yeah, but
Like maybe once a month, you know, maybe.
Oh, I see him more often than that.
Maybe.
No,
Maybe once a month.
I see him more often than that.
What's more often than that?
Well, once a week. I mean, when
Caught up with work, the mother admits she only sees her son occasionally. The father covers insurance, everything in fact. Yet she wants more money. The judge listens closely, but their patience is wearing thin.
I have my business all day, and then I do extra catering in the evenings, and so I'm just really busy. Mm-hmm. But when I'm not, then I do go visit with my son. Not once a month.
Once a month.
No.
Maybe.
How many other children do you have that are under the age of 18?
I don't have any other children.
Okay. Keep talking, I'm listening. I'm just taking down some notes.
I've said my piece. I wanted an increase in the child support.
Who pays health insurance?
I do.
How much is it?
200.
Is that for your son only, or that includes you?
That's just my son.
Okay.
Then comes the shocking twist. Dad reveals he's dating her sister. Gasps ripple through the courtroom. Suddenly, the mother's fury makes sense. But the judge cuts through the chaos. This is about the child. Or is it?
I think what this started from is she may be a little upset. I'm dating her sister.
Why didn't you lead with that?
Yeah.
I don't know. I probably should have left with that, child. But
You probably should have.
yeah, I think it's some resentment going on.
You think?
Maybe, could be. I guess.
There are plenty of women in the world. You didn't have to go for my sister.
I mean, that is kind of outside the scope of why we're here, but she does raise a good point.
I mean, she.
You see why she's upset.
I'm a music teacher. Like she plays the clarinet
Oh, okay.
really well.
As the affair erupts in court, the mother declares they'd still be together, if not for her sister. The truth begins to unravel, and the judge's expression says it all. But just when you think it's over, there's more.
So y'all been hitting notes together.
Yeah, exactly. You
Oh,
know, so
okay.
How long have y'all been hitting notes together? That's the question.
For
Or,
that's
yeah,
that's
a
not to
long
be discussed
time.
today. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
40,000,
You brought it up.
400,000. Okay.
You brought it up.
Well, I mean.
Well, nobody would be paying child support because we'd still be together if you weren't with my sister.
Okay, look. You know what it is, okay? You know
Yeah,
what
you know
it
what
is.
it is.
And
I think everybody in here knows what it is.
so that's all I'm saying.
Mr.
It didn't work out, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr.
She-
Eugene,
she-
I understand why she a little sour though.
Some things just
Her
happen.
sister?
Things just happen.
The judge isn't buying the excuses. The father stands firm. He's raised their son alone for years. The mother fires back, her words laced with emotion, but the facts speak louder. The verdict is coming, and the tension is undeniable.
You
Y'all
wasn't there.
just didn't happen.
You wasn't there.
Mr.
I was
Eugene,
trying to
Mr.
build my
Eugene.
business up
Excuse me,
for
ma'am.
us.
Excuse me, Mr. I do understand her frustration. Mr. Eugene, y'all just did not, by coincidence, fall on those notes, okay? That's not what happened.
I mean,
That's not what happened. Music did not lead you two together. That is wrong.
it kind of did. It was kind of like fate. I teach music. She plays the clarinet. You wasn't
Okay.
there.
I was working,
Okay.
trying to give us a nice life.
Okay. Well, why am I supporting the child for 3 years?
Because I had the child in the first place. You're the one that took him and then.
The ruling is in. Dad's child support payments stop. Mom had surrendered custody years ago. The courtroom falls into stunned silence as justice shifts. But the judge isn't finished yet.
You know, I'm going to go ahead and make my ruling because I see this is a little deeper, well, a lot deeper than just child support. And
It ain't deep, y'all.
no, it is deep.
Yeah.
It is
did
definitely
wrong.
deep. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to stop Dad's child support, okay? His child support should stop. You voluntarily relinquish the child to him, okay? So that means the rights that you had in terms of the child living with you primarily, you gave that up 3 years ago. So it's only fair that Dad stop paying child support.
A father stands in disbelief as the court asks, why is he still paying support when his son lives with him? The mother wants more, but the judge has only just begun digging into the truth.
I'm
Only
going
fair.
to deny your request for an increase, okay? Dad did make a request too, to put you on child support. So you will start paying child support today. With your income, you're capped, right? In Texas,
so
we
I'm
have a
gonna be
cap.
paying him money
Yes,
while he's over there with my sister.
pretty much, yes.
And our son. And our son.
Okay, Mr.
need
Eugene.
to stop.
Mr. Eugene, that's not cute. Stop that. You do not have to take the knife and turn it. It's already
am his
bad enough,
mother,
okay?
not
Don't do
her.
that.
Then
Don't
be
do
there.
that.
I'm trying to be there.
Okay, as I was saying, he made the request for you to pay child support. In Texas, you're capped at $9,200 for your net resources.
Now it's the mother's turn. She's ordered to start paying. She protests, but the law is clear. The judge remains unyielding, and the courtroom tension reaches a boiling point.
So, your monthly child support obligation giving you credit for the one, well, not credit, you have one child. So it's based on 20% of your income. That is going to bring your child support obligation to $1,840. Now, he also testified that he pays health insurance for your son. If you can get private health insurance, you do not have to reimburse him. But until that happens, you're going to be reimbursing him that $200. That brings your monthly obligation to $2,040 a month.
That's more than he was paying me.
He makes $40,000 a year, and as you can see, he likes music, okay? So
He likes people that play music.
The exact figure is revealed, over $2,000 a month. Mom is stunned. Dad breathes a sigh of relief. The courtroom feels heavy with tension, but the judge presses on, determined to see justice done.
right, he likes all of that.
Just one.
So we're just
her.
going to
Okay.
move forward, and then that's what your child support amount is going to be to him, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, do you have any other questions, sir?
No, thank you, Your Honor, for serving justice today.
You're very welcome. Although I must say, I can't believe you did that.
I'm sorry.
He smile like he's proud of it.
Well-
I'm not proud. She plays the clarinet really, really
You
well.
stop with the clarinet. I
All
don't care
right,
about the
well,
clarinet.
you know what? I don't want to hear any more music today. You both are dismissed.
The case concludes with justice served. Dad stops paying and Mom takes on the support. The drama was intense, but many more stories lie ahead. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next chapter.